Just came out of nowhere. They started chasing the truck actually. And he just saw me standing, so he came. She actually came, took a little whiff. Everything checks out, and she's off on her way. Totally fit, agile. These dogs living on the hills. This one actually looks really friendly. I'm considering saying hello. This brown one, so cute. Brownie. Hi, Brownie. Hey, Brownie. Hi, Brownie. Oh! No jumping, okay? Licking is fine. You got a collar on. The British flag, it looks like. My new friend. Ooh. In pursuit. Wow. These dogs are just so beautiful. So fit. So healthy. And this one, Brownie, has an actual smile. Right, Brownie? Right, Brownie? You have a cute smile, don't you? You're a cutie. Cutie.
Oh my god.
They're just excited.
Oh my god.
Good. Aw, you're so cute. Hey. Hey.
I think we already
No jumping.
no jumping. I think that why
Yeah?
we already got
Oh,
there,
okay,
right?
okay.
I think
Okay.
right?
Same way?
I'm not sure, but look.
What is this over here?
Hmm.
Is this a house or a building? Hey, Brownie. 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 Hey. Brownie.
Like all the people
Oh, retirement home? Okay.
like already described
Okay.
like that.
This dog is so cute. Got a smile and everything. Wow.
We can use this for everything.
Okay. Brownie. Hey, Brownie.
Oh,
Hey, Brownie. Not interested in me anymore. The animal instincts have taken over. And that's as far as he goes. Yeah, Brownie. Brownie actually was smiling at me.
oh.
Yeah, I actually saw a smile. Dogs smile sometimes. He had a very genuine smile.
Oh, I'm not sure this way. We can go down.
I really like this way, in fact. And I'm really excited to walk down this path.